Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 19th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So we had this nice push down on the Aussie dollar, real nice break of structure, the first break of structure we've had since this low down here. So we definitely know that at least this wave right here is complete. Now we need to try to determine whether this is like going to end up being like an ABC correction to the uptrend, which, if that is the case, this would make like some sort of a three-wave pullback, a recognizable three-wave LE wave pattern, most likely, or whether this is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, bouncing from fib levels, but never breaking structure and actually continuing down. Either way, we should definitely be looking for sorts and hopefully learning and earning at the same time. Now, I like to use these Fibonacci areas as resistance and support. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right up against a Fibonacci level. I would definitely want to see a pullback. I'm not saying that it has to pull back. It could, go beyond this fib level. I'm saying that for me to go short again, I would have to see a pretty decent pullback, maybe even like a nice Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing move to the downside for more sorting opportunities. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.